Hello everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends, and today is January 29th, 2018. This is not financial advice, just my opinion. So Bitcoin, should you dump it? Well, in this video, I'm going to be covering several articles that you might have read or perhaps have forgotten about that are important to keep in mind before you actually decide to dump Bitcoin. And you guys do what you got to do for whatever reason. I mean, it's totally up to you, but I thought I would just give you guys some reminders on articles and news that you might have forgotten about. So before we do that real quick, let's go over to the market cap, which is trading at $527 billion with a Bitcoin dominance of 34.7%, and Bitcoin's trading around $10,877. Okay. One thing that happened today was payment processor Stripe to end support for Bitcoin. Oh no. Okay. Well, that's kind of a big deal, and yeah, that's bad news. It's a lot of FUD. One thing to note that's really interesting in this article is that, okay, they're dumping Bitcoin. That closes a door. So what door? When a door closes, another one opens, right? So what is out there that's going to take its place? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to get your opinion if you think Stripe is going to pick up another coin to replace Bitcoin. Anyway, so that's like the FUD we have for today, actually, in this video. The rest of it is stuff like this, where Novogratz, $400 million bet. And what he's doing is he's betting basically his entire $400 million worth of crypto assets on his project, which is Galaxy Digital. And that's going to be a full service type of bank for digital assets. It's a digital asset merchant bank. And he's going to have trading, asset management, principal investment, and advisory business lines. Huge thing. This he knows the market, okay? He really knows the market. There's a big thirst out there for not only Bitcoin, but for crypto in general. And going over to crypto in general, let's go look at this article, TD Ameritrade. And what they're saying is that, this is on Monday, they're saying great first quarter for 2018. And that's partially because of the interest in stocks related to blockchain. And that has bumped it up, and I'll go ahead and leave a link for this video. Here's another article, EU Commissioner. So they're talking about at the Economic and Financial Affairs Council, they're trying to get their heads around Bitcoin and how it disrupts governments and countries, blah, 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 blah. Basically, they're trying to figure out how to tax it to get a piece of the pie. That's all it is. They're not saying, oh, they're going to outlaw it, which is actually great news. This is actually, okay, how can we tax it, hence legitimize Bitcoin and crypto in general. And down here, it says that Dombrovskis reiterated the EU's interest in adopting blockchain technology. Okay, great. All right, moving on. UN forms blockchain coalition to help tackle climate change. Okay, that is more good news. At least the UN isn't saying, "Oh no, we got to figure out how to really just kill this whole movement," right? Here's another article. China's banking regulator pushes blockchain adoption for credit market. Cool. So more stuff on blockchain. Now, why am I saying, oh, blockchain? You know, it's because Bitcoin and blockchain are synonymous. When you go to a drive-in and you see like Pepsi on the menu and you say, oh, I'll have a Coke. It's like that. So they're synonymous. Here's another article, moving on. Bitcoin ATMs on the rise in Russia. Isn't that cool? Little Bitcoin ATM. And this is in Novosibirsk. So that's like the third largest city in Russia, okay? And they have 10 of these ATMs going in. And that's great news. Have you ever heard of this article before? More. Here's another one from Russia. First cryptocurrency freight deal takes Russian wheat to Turkey. And it's the first deal that's settled in Bitcoin. Huge, okay? This is huge. Go ahead and read this. This is on Bloomberg. Another one. This, I think, came out today. Bitcoin equals $1 million. Well, probably not by the 26th. That would be nice. But anyway, this is Dan Schulman, the chief exec at PayPal. And he's talking with Wences Caceres about Bitcoin. And he's saying, oh, yeah, it's going to be like $1 million, okay? And I'll let you go ahead and read through that article. And here's one more article. Microsoft welcomes back Bitcoin. And I'll let you go ahead and read that. So that's a bunch of articles, and I'll leave the links to them below. But I'd like to get your opinion of where you think Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole is going, because it's been fairly stagnant of late, and Bitcoin has really been taking a drop from all this FUD. And frankly, it was easy to find all these articles on great news. It's just that we tend to remember the FUD. The FUD tends to stick in our minds, right? And we forget about the good news. It's kind of like when we're on the losing end of something, the loss hurts more than the joys of the victory or the gain. It's same thing. Anyway, before you guys make any decisions, I hope this helped you with your decision-making process, whichever way it goes, and I wish you the best of luck, truly. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and click on the bell to be notified of future videos. Have a great day, and good luck, guys.